is second to last day before winter break, and I am exhausted. Like, I have no motivation to study. I've been in bed since 11:38, but I'm gonna slowly get ready here. I eat shabu shabu for lunch downstairs, and then head to class. We just have a stupid lab where we just have to finish dentures, but I don't know. It's just so annoying, but I just have to charge all my stuff here. Okay. I'm gonna bring my computer down so I can do Anki cars while I eat. And then go from there. I just feel like I'm missing something. I don't know. See, my hair is such a mess right now. Okay. Ta-da! First thing I like to do is put all the cabbage in. I love my cabbage. It's okay. Next time. I got ponzu sauce here, and when I cook the meat, I like to cook it like very briefly. Pull up Anki here. Just cook it very briefly. And then put in the sauce. Noodles. And then the leafy part. This is the perfect bite. Guys, I thought of this crazy idea. Call me crazy, whatever. But I think I might sleep on campus because I don't want to wake up early tomorrow to drive because I know I'm gonna pull an all-nighter, and I just hate driving in traffic or just like going early to school. I just hate that drive. I hate driving, or to a certain extent. So I guess this vlog is gonna be me sleeping at school before our last 2 finals. But I'm not that crazy. Honestly, I might be crazy, but I really don't like to drive. And since I don't have my personal chauffeur, I guess the ultimate sacrifice has to be made. I have to sleep on campus. Oh no, I'm crazy. So, after I'm finished that, I'm gonna pack everything, pack food. I already packed some persimmon in this cute container that Kevin got me for Christmas. And I have clam chowder soup in a different container in there, but I think I might cut more persimmon. It doesn't fill it up all the way. See, these are persimmon. If you don't know what these are, recommend it. Costco will sell them in bags. But I like the Fuji persimmon, the big. It's like it starts with an H. Oh. It's called Hachia persimmon. It's big. It looks like this, like a, I don't know what this is called, but I like those because you wait until it's like really ripe and you just cut the top open and it's like gooey. I know it's kind of weird, but I guess the best description I have for it is like burgers, nose burgers. but it's kind of gooey, slimy, but it's the best food ever. Let's pack. Oh, let's pack so that I can have a sleepover at my school. Usually I have everything packed in here. Whenever I go out, like a last minute, like sleepover or something like that. Let's see here. Let's see what we have here. So, there's my waterproof GoPro thing. I did not know I had that. Sensodyne is the best toothpaste out there, especially if you have sensitive teeth. It is not a sponsor. Is this? Yeah. So, Sensodyne. I have everything in here for that. And then, my contact lenses. I'm gonna put this in with the solutions. Okay. I think I'm ready to sleep over. And then I need to pack clothes. Because it's a tag, but it's like extra large. But this is my favorite. Woo! Okay, that and then leggings. Okay, but I think I am ready to go out. Fill up the water bottle. There's all my stuff in the passenger seat, ready for me to sleep at school. I'm gonna stop by the boba place and then get some coffee. And then school lab stuff. And then studies. And then sleep. And then exams. Talk to you guys later. I am done. And I'm free from this. Okay. So Jade wanted to meet a Paris bunny to do some self-studying. So I'm gonna be going out to meet him. So much. Okay guys, I came to Paris bunny and I realized Jake was just gonna pick up the sandwiches. We're not studying here. So let's drive back to campus. Wait, my key.
Pioneer?
Yeah. This lecture right here.
I'm so tired.
That was not in the Anki deck.
I'm mean for dinner.
No. My grandma paid the whole thing. Oh no, this show was not in here.
It is officially 11:40 and I'm still here, but I found out that the lights in this building turns off at midnight, which is making me want to go home and study. But like, I feel like what's the point? Because I'm gonna be here at 5 a.m. The lights turned off. The outside light is off too. What's all that?
You wanna go down there? All right, here.
think it's time for me to go home. My ankle is burning right now.
No.
I shouldn't have ran.
Go to the lounge.
I shouldn't have ran. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna set up my bed on that couch. Here. Oh yeah, I need it closer to the wall. Or do I need it closer to that wall? I don't know. Is my blanket. They're leaving. Bye bye. You wanna feel my bed? It's warm. Come. Touch my bed. Look, aren't you impressed with my bed over there? Go.
Ooh,
Getting
yeah.
warm. Yeah.
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 And you got blinds too.
Uh-huh. I have an eye mask in here. Bye-bye. Bye, Jake. Bye, Phil. Stop. Stop it. You're mean. You're mean.
Time to rip a big fart in here.
I want to get that one ruined.
This
Stop.
seems like a pretty safe room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Good luck.
Alright, yeah.
Don't close it. I'm scared.
What if something comes through? And
Don't say that. Dude, my... Yeah. I can't. Bye. No, I can't wake up then.
I'll pick it up.
No, it's okay.
Alright.
Bye-bye. Why does this look like a horror movie? Help me. I am risking my life to wash my face in the bathroom. What is... Hell no! Okay. I'm going to the other bathroom because that bathroom is completely dark. Oh. I might die, I might die. I shall do hourly check-in with you guys. It is currently 12:33, and I'll check with you guys in like an hour. But my new study place, I got light from the outside. My bed is getting all warm with the heated blanket, so yeah. Okay, it is 1:10. I think I'm gonna sleep for like 3 hours. Maybe 4 o'clock. Yeah, 3 hours. Because I've written down everything I needed to. And then let my computer charge because it's at 20%. And go from there. It's not actually that scary to be in here. But I have my eye mask I'm gonna wear to sleep. But yeah, going to sleep. Oh my gosh, I didn't notice this, but this is a heater right here. So I'll be extra warm here. Oh, it feels so nice on my bed or on my back. Good night, everyone. It is 6:09. Finally woke up. I'm gonna do some review of ortho and then call it good. I'm so tired. I'm gonna take out my contacts. stretch of studying. Finally, there's light in the bathroom, but I'm gonna pee, brush my teeth, and get ready. Why does this feel weird? I look like a samurai. Okay, time to wash my hands. I forgot to bring my face wash. I'm gonna be right back. Actually, I'm gonna leave my stuff there. And I'm gonna get my face wash. I'm gonna put everything in the car before the exam. Look at all that stuff. Okay, so I finished that exam like in 30 minutes, which is unexpected for me, but it is what it is. I just selected what I recognize and everything and just call it good. And then, I don't know, now to study for ortho. I am free! All the exams are down, or all the exams are done. Just waiting on results here. I'm celebrating it with some Christmas music in the car, but we're free! Oh, hell yeah. Oh, let's go! We're ready, Jake!
Scoop in very slowly and do not stir it or it'll foam over. Pass them up.
And the second semester. Wait. First semester, D2. You want second semester? Woo!